abilities.
Yes.
Let's
go.
It's interesting.
Yeah. Yes. There we go.
8, 7, 6, 5.
Hold on.
3, 2, 1.
I'm doing Uber Eats and it's just now being picked up.
That's. Let's spread them apart.
It's only pew day under you guys will wait until the pallet gets over here by the pillar before you open up. I appreciate it.
Yeah, so we don't jerk it off of you. Sorry, I didn't realize what I said till it was too late. Hulk in 3 seconds.
You knew what you were doing.
Hulk, I always know what I'm doing, sunshine.
She's got plenty of experience.
You bet your sweet ass.
They stuck together.
Just make sure they can see each other when it's called for. Yep, let's make sure that spear gets. Everybody soak. Make sure that she's getting interrupted, guys. I would, I'm just not on her. The Hulk's coming up, 3 seconds. Hulk. Everybody on her. He needs to be dead before it moves. Alright, nice job.
Slow it down too, I just realized.
Okay. Yeah, if you're moving, do that. Beckham's going out. Hey, whoever came in.
I'm back.
Welcome back, sunshine. Oh, we need to hard DPS him.
She's dead.
I know, they have to die. They're supposed to die at the same time.
It's fine.
Please don't do that. It's
I think
the
there's
point.
20 seconds, like a 20-second leave.
Anya, get away from me.
Yep.
I'm on green.
Yep. Get away from green if you don't have solo. Soak. Also, if you have a white beam of light over you, that means don't move. Period. You cannot move. Alright, let's get this taken care of and done for the night. Get y'all your AOTC.
I agree.
Make sure you're not on the front half of that. Ward guys.
Second and 5.
Taunt.
Taunting?
Ads, do not pop them out of the center. Just DPS them down. Stun them and DPS them down. Shit, I got 7 stacks of that on me.
You gonna die.
Thanks, Mark.
Service announcement brought to you by the letters L-O-N-E-S-T-A-N-R.
Reversal's coming up.
30 stacks, Tom.
Taunted.
Get ready to LOS. Everybody LOS. Alright, back on her. Make sure you're getting your stacks. If you don't have any, get in the middle and get them now. Get them up.
Taunt.
Whoever can rest, please get that hunter up. She is. Okay.
Mama tried, see there?
Apologize in advance.
Indomitable is on the up by the console. I can't see. I can't see if one goes out until the angel's on their person. Everybody needs to be on that Indomitable. Any idea why it won't rest them?
I was on the other side of the pillar apparently.
Okay.
Taunted.
If your stacks fall off, get more. It's getting close to being charged. I see. Souljacker, go ahead and get your stacks. Everybody, do your decree correctly, please. Alright, I gotta get stacks. Oh shit, I'm still standalone. Make sure the tanks get that Myrmidon. Make sure y'all get it, please.
It's been designed for me now, sorry. Fighting this.
Alright, get that spear out. Get to the wall. If you are on the front half of the ward that's by the console, get out. LOS. Quickly. Nice job.
We have another hunter down.
Do we have a res?
Yep.
Reversal. If you don't have stacks, get them. Rebuff for everybody that's gone down. Okay, I see several people on the front side by the console. Y'all are on the wrong side.
Taunted.
Don't take too many stacks unless you have instant cast. It's the buff that makes you instant cast. If you get that, take as many stacks as possible because you're gonna die anyway. But don't. Please make sure you only have 5, but continually get them. Debbie Vacano. Bitch. Overload. I'm going over there. Tell me when green. Okay. I'm trying. Okay.
Are we getting hit?
Tell me when.
Now.
Okay, got it. I'm heroing in just a second.
Now.
Taunting, I don't know if he said the taunt.
You want me to taunt?
Can't hear him.
No, I got her.
I'm gonna die. No, I'm not gonna die. I refuse to die. Watch the red thing. If you don't have stacks, please get them. Oh, I think it said overload. Okay.
Not yet.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
No.
Oh yeah.
Healer's getting a cooldown ready.
Pop one.
I did.
Another. Cooldown. Another.
Last one.
Shit, I died. I died. Somebody go do it. I died. Somebody go pop that last one. If there's a res, get me up, please.
2 minutes.
Alright, y'all concentrate. 9% and you'll have your AOTC.
Burn.
Everything you got. 5%, guys. 5%, guys. You got it. Come on. 3%.
Innovative hard Harry if you can. Oh, never mind.
2%. 1%.
She's dead.
Congratulations.
Kablam!
Yeah. Wow, thanks for having.
Wow, thanks for having.
That felt really.
That felt really
good to achieve that. But
good to achieve that, but that particular attempt felt really smooth compared to like the previous 2 hours. So yeah.
Guys, if you to have keep use, please whisper and link it so that I can get it to people in here that can use it, please. Before everybody starts leaving. All right, we have the cursed lovers ring going up for roll. Oh, I hate this. Okay. Let me give me 1 second. All right, roll for that. That I just linked. Oh crap! Oh, it did roll. Okay.
I really want that. Though.
You know, I beat someone. So I feel good.
Hold on, let me look.
Oh, Tiny, that is harsh.
All right, it's Souljacker won that.
Joris, did you
Did you say you wanted it, Mama?
Everybody wants it, but you take it.
Souljacker won it, so.
Oh, misfit.
Alright.
I'm so shit.
Shit, I could actually use it. Anybody else? Let me see if I got any other whispers. 1 second. Alright, that's the only piece up. Congratulations, guys. Next Friday we will do another one that's fresh. Hold on, don't nobody leave Discord yet. 1 second. I gotta move these people.
Make a suggestion for tomorrow night.
Sure.
Since we downed Azshara and we've got a free night, you think we could organize either like a mythic group, Comfort is our lore, or a normal group for Eternal Palace just for fun?
do the
old mobs for them.
I either doing a normal alt run or a run it. So
Put it up.
You like things up on a
Either option sounds fun.
Yes.
It's gonna actually
Yes.
our community link up for our community. So that anybody that's in Discord right now is and everything like that for that. Here's another port out. And everything like that for that. Here's another port out.
Thanks for carrying me.
Everyone
We
got
didn't carry you.
my back ache. Everyone got carried by
did my back ache.
Thanks again, guys.
Thank you.
Thanks again, guys.
Hey, Reb, it was a pleasure talking with you.
I need